Hello,
大家好，
today we're going to the train station.
我们今天去火车站。
We're going to teach you useful phrases to use in the train station.
We'll also teach you how to buy a high-speed train ticket.
Join us and get an inside look of a Chinese train station.
Before we go, have you traveled by high-speed train in China? Let us know in the comments about your experience.
If you're learning Chinese, hit the subscribe button for future content. Alright, let's go to the train station.
我们走吧。Driver, please take me to Beijing South Train Station.
司机，请带我到北京火车南站。
You can also use the subway to reach all of Beijing's train stations. It's really convenient and you'll avoid the traffic.
下班。
Don't forget your luggage.
别忘了你的行李。
Entrance.
进站口。
East 3 Security Passageway.
东三安检通道。
What time does our train depart?
我们的火车什么时候出发？
From what platform does our train depart?
我们的火车在哪个站台出发？
Ticket office.
售票处。
Please give me your passport.
请给我你的护照。
We have included a handout in the description that teaches you how to read your train ticket. Trains usually start boarding 20 to 25 minutes before departure. We are looking at gates 8B and 9B, which use the same door. The blue display says the train number, the destination, the departure time, the platform, and the carriage numbers. Your platform number is found on your ticket and on information boards around the station. If you are sitting in carriages 1 to 10, you would enter through gate B. If you are sitting in carriages 11 to however long the train is, you would enter through gate A, which is located directly opposite of gate B. As you approach the gate, hold your ticket and passport. An employee will help you enter the gate.
拿一下市民绿列票，拿到车上车厢显示上车。
Outside on each carriage, you will find a display showing the train number, the carriage number, departure station, and arrival station. All of this information is printed on your ticket in pinyin so you can read it and double check that you're getting on the right train. Row numbers and seat numbers are posted above each row just like on an airplane. Now you can sit back and relax. You've made it. The seats have a lot of legroom and recline far back without invading the personal space of the person behind you. I prefer traveling by high-speed rail over flying. You avoid airport security, restrictions on liquids, and cramped economy seats. Domestic Chinese flights are plagued with delays, but the high-speed trains leave on the minute every time. Trip.com has a convenient English website and app to book rail tickets. Then you pick up those tickets at the train station from a window like earlier in this video. You will need your passport to pick up your tickets. Always have your passport with you when you are traveling within China. I like to arrive at the train station 60 minutes before departure, especially if it's a holiday weekend. The station can be busy and the ticket pickup line can be long. If you're concerned about missing your train, you can go to the train station before the day of your departure and pick up your tickets early. When picking up your tickets, you can get both your outward bound and return ticket at the same time. That way, you don't have to stand in line again at the return train station. On this trip to Qingdao, the tickets were 314 renminbi each way. So if you total that and convert it to US dollars, it's around 92 US dollars. In addition to the spacious legroom, each row has an outlet so you can charge your devices. There is a snack car, but options are limited. So pro tip, buy food from one of the delicious restaurants at the station and bring it on board. Most carriages have 2 toilets, a squat toilet, and a Western-style toilet.
快就要到达终点站青岛北站，请旅客们整理好行李物品，准备下车。下车时请注意脚下，注意安全。Ladies and gentlemen, the train will arrive at Qingdao Bay railway station, the final stop on this trip. 终点站青岛北站到了。
If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button.
Down below in the description, we've included a link to Trip.com's website. You can use their website to buy high-speed train ticket in China.
If you're learning Chinese, check out our Chinese language resources in the description.
If you're interested in practicing spoken Chinese, I offer one-on-one video tutoring. You can send us an email to chinesejourneynow@gmail.com.
And as you continue your Chinese journey, 加油!
Your attention. Ticket for train number C2041 from Beijing.